Okay, so my Mesa Mark V is making some strange noises in channel 3. And right now it's in channel 2, completely quiet, as with channel 1. Here's channel 1 right here. Completely quiet. Channel 2. And then here's what happens when you flip it into channel 3. Notice the guitar isn't even plugged in, so there's no interference from outside. Sounds like there's a motorcycle starting up in there. Changed out all the tubes. I still get the same noise. Okay, so here we go again. Channel 2. Completely quiet. And then back to channel 3. Amazing.